Now in this video I will explain you how to construct the involute of this circle. So now take the radius of the circle as 25 mm and construct the involute. Okay, so first apply the limits 0, 0, then enter 210, 297. Now apply the units, make as 0 precision and it should be in millimeter, then apply OK. Now take the circle. So by default you have to enter the radius of the circle as 25 mm. So after this go to the line command, then make it ortho on. So from the one end you have to take this distance as 2 pi r. So 2 into pi into r. R is the radius of the circle. So 2 pi r. So we are getting as 157 if you mention. Okay. After that again select the line. So from the center to the end of this line you have to draw one more line like a radius. Now divide this line into number of equal parts. Say n number of equal parts you can divide. Go to the command, enter divide. Now select the object. How many parts? Say you want to divide by 8 or 12. I want to divide into 12 parts. Okay, it is already divided into 12 parts, but it's invisible because we have not selected as p type, that is point type. Okay, so I will make this one, and if possible reduce this size because 5 is more, so make it as 2.5 or 3. Yeah, you can see this is a point obtained on the straight line. Okay, now after this again enter the right click and now start selecting these two L-shaped line. Okay, all L-shaped you have to select. Just drag it till the end, it will be select. So after that again there is another comments like array AR, enter AR, then go for enter, then it will ask for enter the array type. It is let us say polar because it's a circular, we have to select polar. Now asking you to find out the center. So it is divided into 6 parts now, but as per this division we have divided into 12 parts. So I want to make into items. Now select these items here, click. Okay, now by default it has been taken into 6. Now you have to make it to 12. Enter 12, then so now you can see it is divided into 12 parts. Okay, so let us check the dimension if you want to know. So this dimension from here to here it's 157, and to know the radius let us click on this. For circle, yeah, it's 25 mm. Okay, so if you want to make the customize of this, again you can go to the dimension style, there you can change to make the good appearance. Okay, I will delete both now. So again you can text make the multiple text to write something. For here I will start with 1, this point, say this one will be 1. Now okay, then again copy selection, select that one, make copy selection, then move to here, it will goes to 2 because ortho is on, make it off, then you can move anywhere, this point 2 and this will be 3 like that. Similarly select this point, copy selection, make the copy selection, then move to here. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and finally this will be 12. Okay, and here it will be 12, this point will be 12 at the end. Okay, so now just customize this, edit, say this is 2, this will be 3, and from here again this it will comes to 12 because it's a 12 equal parts. Okay, say 12. Now same thing, change this 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and this will be 12th one. Last point will be 12th. Okay, now so here the main concept is from the starting point to 1. You have to measure this distance and you have to mark on this tangent. Okay, it means the same distance it will be. Whatever the distance of 0 to 1, same distance it will be copied here. It is an array program. So same this line is been copied into 12 parts, 12 times. Okay, now you can take the curve, that is spline fit, take that spline fit curve, and from 0 to 1, now 1 to 2, 2 to 3. So this we have taken because this is the second point, first second, and this is third point, first second third point. Now you have to take the fourth one, so this is the fourth one, 1 2 3, and this is the fourth one. Now fifth will be here, this one. You have to just take 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, this point. Now this is the sixth point, 1 2 3. Yeah, I'm right. Now seventh point you have to make it. Yeah, this will be seventh one here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yeah, this one. Now this will be the eighth one. Yes, eighth one. This is ninth. Sorry, this will be ninth. Okay. Once again you remove. Again repeat the spline fit. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 1 2 3 6 one. This is seventh one. This is eighth one. This is ninth one. This is 10th one. This is 11th one, and finally this is 12th one. After this, again right click, enter. Like this. Here. Okay, right. So this curve is a trace curve for the involute. Now you can again customize this into by changing the properties, like change the colors. Okay, like this you can change. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a good day.